Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gell, here to share the December Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month comes out every month and includes 4 brand new collections. You receive cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. You also get a sample of gourmet coffee, so you can brew that up and sip on it as you create. You're also going to receive access to 4 recipe cards for double page layouts. These layouts are designed by our design team, and they give you their cutting and assembly instructions, and then they also provide a full color photograph of the finished layout. So you can create right along with them, or of course be inspired by it and take off on your own and create whatever you like. So this month it's all about Christmas. And I don't know about you, but when all the Christmas collections come out, I want all of them. But of course, there's only one Christmas a year, so it's kind of hard to use all of them. So this is a perfect way to be able to get some of all of your favorite collections. I know all of these were on my list, so I'm excited to get just a taste so that I can create with it and kind of get it out of my system. So the 4 collections that you're going to get are Cartabella, Home for Christmas, Pink Fresh Holiday Magic, Simple Stories Holidays, and Vicki Boutin's Warm Wishes. 4 beautiful Christmas collections ready to document all of your memories and to make great Christmas projects or gifts. So let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these. The first collection we're going to look at is Home for Christmas from Cartabella. So this is that heavy textured weight cardstock that Cartabella is known for, just gorgeous, rich colors. You're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock. This one that has the poinsettia bouquet on the white, and the back is a black plaid on red. This paper is called Fa La La Floral. Then we have a snowflake on red with a black check. This is called Let It Snow. And then we have this, that's the wood frames with all the different phrases inside of it. It's super cute. Christmas on the Farm, I Believe, Merry Christmas. And the back is a green tone-on-tone, little small print. This paper is called Deck the Halls. So gorgeous. And I know you're going to want more of all of these collections, so be sure to check out the add-ons. This is your embellishment, so the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. We have a thin border, that's the snowflake on red, and then a little bit wider one, that's the poinsettia bouquets. Lots of beautiful icons from the farm truck to the poinsettias, the little wagon with the tree and gifts. We have banners. We have lots of words to create titles or subtitles. So everything you need to make some Christmas memories. So that is Home for Christmas from Cartabella. Our next collection is Holiday Magic from Pink Fresh. This collection is gorgeous and it's different. It has a full rainbow of the colors. So it's not your traditional red and green, but it definitely screams Christmas. This paper here is called Deck the Halls, and it is gorgeous. I love this wreath, and then they did the lines on the outside. Of course, you could fussy cut this and put it on another piece of pattern paper, but the way they've done it, it's done all the work for you. So just put a little photo over here, tuck in a few little extra embellishments. Like, I know the embellishments will differ, but something round or whatever, just tuck a few in over here, and it's going to be done. The back of this paper is a blue plaid. And then we have Feeling Festive, which is the berries and the little leaves. The back is a diagonal stripe in all of the colors from this collection, so you can see it really includes all of the colors of the rainbow. This paper is called Warm Wishes, and it has all of the text. It's a wonderful life, joy to the world. We need a little Christmas now, sparkle and shine. The back is a yellow print, and it has a grid design with little leaves. Super cute. So one more look at that patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get some of the Pink Fresh enamel dots, and these are so cool. They will vary. I got silver, and they're almost like textured. They have like a rough feel to them. I love those. You're going to get some chipboard, and so these will vary as well, but this is what I got, is a chipboard frame and then a couple of icons. Then you'll get a mixture of the ephemera packs. So again, these will vary, but this is what I got. Some that could make great titles, and then some small little icons. So that is Pink Fresh Holiday Magic. Our next collection is Holidays from Simple Stories, and this was my favorite, I believe, collection from Simple Stories for their holiday collections. Super gorgeous. I love the pink and the blue always, but it also has that traditional red and green. So I was so excited to see this one. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. This paper, called Mistletoe Memories, has the poinsettia, little bouquets, as well as the berries. The back is kind of a white snowfall print on the dark green. And then we have a white on the red. This one is called the Merriest. The back is the plaid with the darker red and green and the light minty green. This paper, called 'Tis the Season, are these beautiful red roses with the 3 different colors of green, and then you get touches of the pink and the white. It's just beautiful. The back is a text that says fa la 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 on the green. So you have lots of options with these papers. For the embellishments, you get a lot of different options for it as well. Of course, these are all going to vary among the kits, but you will receive one of the chipboard frames. So I got the double one with the houses. You're going to get a sheet from the sticker book. So again, these will vary, but this is the one that I got. And then you're going to get some of the ephemera pieces. This is about 1/5 of the pack. Love the little fireplace and this little squirrel. So cute icons that are going to match throughout this collection. So that is Simple Stories Holidays. Our final collection we're going to look at is from Vicki Boutin, and it's called Warm Wishes, and this was another one of my top favorites. So excited to have it. So you have 2 sheets of craft cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one called Deck the Halls, which is the ornaments hanging down with a canvas print and music on the background. The back is a 2-toned red with little flowers, and it's a distressed paper. This one, called Snowy Day, is snowflakes on the turquoise with distressing in the white at the top and the bottom. It's just beautiful. The back is a plaid. Again, all of these are like the mixed media designs that Vicki does so well and takes all of the work out of it. So this is like paint brush stroked on, and then there's distressing, and there's like little circles over here, kind of like the bubble wrap technique. These also have full branding strips, so that one has the ornaments and this one has the snowflakes. So those are the smaller designs from the back side. This one, called Holly Jolly, has all of the strips of paper put together for you. And the back is a text. It says Twinkle Lights, December, Get Together, Sweater Weather. So just lots of winter sayings. And then we have the music on the green. One more look at your pattern paper. For the embellishments, again, we have lots of different options. You're going to receive some of the puffy phrases, so these will all vary, but this is what I got: the December, Cozy, Celebrate, and Favorite Things. Then you're going to receive 5 of the chipboard pieces, so these are heavy chipboard. I've got stars and 1 heart. And then some of the ephemera pieces. So again, these will all vary, but this is a good representation. I always love Vicki's die cuts. They're a little bit larger, so they really make an impact on your pages and your projects. And I was so excited to get the little mouse. I just love that little mouse. So that is Vicki Boutin, Warm Wishes. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Again, check out the 3 add-ons we have available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. We have a cardstock, a pattern paper, and an embellishment add-on, as well as the Shots of Life coordinates with it, so you can get more pattern paper and embellishments by adding the Shots of Life. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.